Good morning, myself Anubhav Sukla, basically from Uttar Pradesh, and I have enrolled networking course at Evision. I have learned a lot of advanced technologies about a lot of networking related to it so far. I got place in Payal Group with 2.76 LPA of salary package. The best part is that when we need assistance regarding any concept in which we have doubt in, we are provided with assistance from technical team of Evision. Evision is a good platform from every person who want to take in IT placement, and Evision is a good platform for basically learning from IT. That's all.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.